In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation buttons in Looker Studio reports. The process is straightforward, and with these steps, you'll be able to enhance the interactivity of your reports easily. Let's dive in. First, head over to Looker Studio. When you're there, you'll want to start in edit mode. In the top menu, you'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Button. This is where the fun begins. Once you've selected the button option, click and drag on your report canvas to draw the button exactly where you want it. This flexibility allows you to place the button in a location that best fits the flow and design of your report. Now that your button is created, let's move on to configuring its actions. Click on the button you've just added and you'll notice a small pen icon labeled Edit Link. Go ahead and click on that. A Setup tab will appear, providing you with several link type options. You can choose a dynamic page link if you want the navigation to adjust automatically as your report pages change. Options for next, previous, first, or last are available, making it easy to create a seamless navigation experience in your report. Alternatively, if you know the specific page you want to link to, select Specific Page from the drop-down list and you're set. But what if you need to send your report viewers to an external website? No problem, just enter the URL in the external URL section, and your button will direct users there with a click. Personalizing your button adds clarity and usability, so make sure to customize its text in the label field. This label will display on your button, guiding users on where it will take them. To enhance user experience further, consider adding a description that appears when the user hovers over the button. This optional feature can provide additional context or instructions without cluttering your report design. Once the functionality is set, it's time to make your button look great. With the button selected, switch to the Style tab. This is your design playground. Here, you can refine the button's appearance to match your report's theme. Adjust the background color, fiddle with the font size and color, and tweak other elements like border thickness to ensure the button doesn't just work well, but also looks visually cohesive with the rest of your content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a navigation button to your Looker Studio report. This small but powerful feature will greatly improve the way users interact with your reports, making data presentation more dynamic and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!